I'm feeling some wind and my heartbeat. Okay, kimonos ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Heading down to Eagle's Nest exit. It's a slider down jump, which means it's a low jump. I've never jumped this in the past, but mostly doing either a PCA or a slider down. That's Kimonas with his banana peel. Oh, there shit is. Bit sketchy. Crazy. Thanks to all the kind people who put these ropes out here.
Good, my spit went straight down.
That's what she said. Okay. Sorry, tree. Okay, here we are. Okay, this exit is really thrilling. And that ramp is moving.
Oh, it's pretty cozy.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Fuck. This is exciting. Something new. New exit. Good people. Good place. Good weather. Oh shit, okay. Fuck. This is a different type of
course.
feeling.
After all these
Thanks, buddy.
terminal jumps,
Yeah.
something different.
I mean, I've done this, it's just...
Yeah.
Blah.
It's been a while.
Yeah. I'm feeling some wind and my heartbeat. Okay, kimonos ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Thanks, buddy! Woo! Okay. Shit, this feels crazy different. Ah, what a view. What a view. Let's see, should we try the trampoline? Let's see how much penetration we get. Okay, just gonna hang in here for a bit. See where this takes me. The flags are fine. Okay. If you miss it, go to your right. Too far. Trying. Turbulence. Ah! Almost. Woo! Yeah! First one! Woo! Oh my God!